Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 13. This is our last module of content. And then after this, we just have the final project. So the topic is the same as Module 13. It's those formal commands. Make sure that you really understand them. Remember that they do have to be in the final project. So make sure you go over one more time the formula for making them, and make sure that you know how to do the usted and ustedes both, and the negatives, and make sure you check those list of irregulars, because again, we still have the irregulars. So again, that's our last thing of content, same topic as Module 12. Make sure you understand them and then start working on your final project. Make sure you read all the information about that. We have our last homework packet, our last speaking assignment, and our last quiz. Yeah, and then just remember to get your final project scripts in by July 15th. That is like really important to start working on as soon as you finish the Module 13 items. Let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto. Adios.